Kaneohe, getting ready to go in the tunnel. The winds have been very strong coming up through H3. Close this left lane. They're going to be putting equipment inside here to store it before the hurricane lane approaches. Time now is approximately 10 p.m. I'm heading to work, and when I come out of this tunnel, the wind's probably going to be very strong. But tonight, they're to bring equipment in for safekeeping, so if there's trees down, power lines, whatever, they can start to work on it first thing in the morning. Using my dash cam, I got both hands on the wheel because the winds can be very strong. Not too bad. Every day is an adventure in Hawaii. May everyone be safe tonight. God bless you.